Hello everyone, welcome to Surveymonkey. So what exactly is this platform? This platform is a web tool that lets us create forms or surveys to gather opinions, feedback on services and more. We've probably seen it in many places, but since it's often integrated into websites, we might not have noticed. It's quite common, right? You know, those typical forms asking you to rate something from 1 to 10 and such. Here's a quick overview, okay? As you can see, we can try it for free. We can create unlimited surveys with 10 questions each and collect up to 25 responses per survey. So let's go ahead and subscribe for free, alright? Now we'll create an account. Here it asks what we'd like to do. We'll create a new account and they'll ask us a few questions to understand who we are. And just like that, we're inside the platform. Simple, right? How can we create a form using SurveyMonkey? Basically, we'll be working within the website itself, okay? As you can see here, we can click on Create Survey. We're already in the main section on the home page. Here we can create a survey from scratch, as you can see. We can also use a quick template or build with AI, alright? If we go to templates, we'll see options like sign-up forms, feedback forms, date pickers, and basic surveys. If I start from scratch, I'll have all options available. It's a blank canvas where you need to configure everything. I'd suggest clicking Create Survey as you'll end up customizing it anyway. Create it, and I'd recommend building it with AI, okay? That's kind of the fun part. So they'll be telling us a bit about what they want, okay? And for example, well, we're gonna send them the message, we'll send it. Basically, I asked him to make a form to rate the experience from 1 to 5. Well, there it is actually. How would you rate our product experience? And as you can see, it shows ratings with stars. What should we improve about our product? Okay, it gives us a text box. We click continue. As you see, the stars seem to be a premium feature, but we have it here, okay? So it's done this with AI, okay? So here, just like that, first question, a rating, that easy. Second question, how would you improve the product? In text, okay? So as you can see, we finished in this section, okay? Remember when I said earlier it wasn't necessary? Well, we're in that section now. To add a question, just click build, okay? Click build or new question, alright? See, here's Q. If you hit save, it's stored as is, right? Exactly. Here's Q3, okay? For example, the third question. You can see them on the left side too. Hey, what do you want? Multiple choice checkbox, okay? Just click what you need. Want an image, text, phone number, or email? Okay, what do you want to add? Just grab it and drag, okay? Now we've added a drop down or checkboxes, right? Here you can customize. Put the question and different answers, okay? You can remove options or deselect others, alright? It's pretty intuitive. Want to delete Q? Just hit cancel, okay? It's that simple. Click preview survey to see how it looks. 5 stars, boom, add an opinion, hit done, and that's it. There it is. That's the end of the preview, okay? Now we can just continue, alright? We can connect apps if needed, okay? We can also collect responses and analyze results. It's that simple. Alright, now that we've learned how to create forms with SurveyMonkey, let's talk about upgrading, okay? Let's look at the pricing plan. There's a free plan that allows 10 forms with 25 responses each. The first paid plan is the team plan, which makes the most sense for individuals, I think. It starts at €36 monthly or $4.32 yearly, offering unlimited surveys and responses, but there's a total limit of 15,000 responses, meaning 15,000 users overall. Still, $36 a month for 15,000 yearly responses is pretty good. Right? That's about 1,000 responses per month, give or take. Not bad at all. We'd have support and a bunch of features within the platform itself, like custom questions, custom logos, and so on, accept payments and more. Then we'd move to the €100 per month plan with 40,000 responses yearly and a bit more of the same. They give us more tools there. They offer something crucial: multilingual surveys and response quality check. This helps filter out low quality answers to our text questions. So it's really great. These are the payment plans. Hope you liked it. I think it's a good tool. See you in future videos.